Good morning everybody and welcome to the video. I never know how to start these videos, but anyway, here we are. Welcome. It's a Friday morning in Cape Town and I'm very excited because I'm going camping this weekend. Surprise, surprise. And we're going with the Khaya Camper. So the Khaya Camper is Alu-Cab's flagship camper. It's pretty awesome. It has a lot of cool features that I'm excited to show you. One of them being a heater, which is going to come in handy this weekend because we are going to a place called Sutherland. And Sutherland is known to be one of the coldest, if not the coldest place in South Africa. And it is now the middle of winter, leaning towards the end of winter. So it's pretty chilly this morning. Then yeah, I think it's going to be pretty cold this weekend, but let's see how it goes. It should be interesting, and yeah, keen to hit the road. Here we go. I just went to get a quick coffee and 2 bagels for the road, and now I'm waiting for Simon to arrive, and then we're probably going to have to flip a coin or something to choose who gets to drive the Khaya or the Hilux first, because it's such a cool looking vehicle. Obviously we both want to drive it. It is looking exceptionally out of place here in the apartment block parking lot, but we should hit the road pretty soon. Okay, I think I hear Simon arriving. Let's see. We're basically just going to pack all of his stuff over into the Khaya now. Here comes the Robosmobile. I guess Simon is going to do the honors of flipping the coin.
You need to shout when I flip, right?
Okay, what do you choose?
You choose when I flip, you shout.
Okay. Heads.
Yeah.
Heads. Here we go. We headed off to Anysberg, where we'll be staying for the first night. Anysberg is part of the Cape Nature Reserve, so we were looking forward to possibly seeing some wildlife, as well as to the peace and quiet that comes with limited cell phone signal. We're literally like 5 minutes away from where we're camping at Anysberg, but we pulled off now because we want to watch the Friday live. Jeremy is doing a sneak peek of the Thor conversion, so before we lose signal we're going to sit and watch the live now. Simon is taking a few photos. It's really nice here.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Just a little bit cold. I'm gonna put on my jacket now. Okay, so we've been on this gravel road for about half an hour now, and we were thinking we're on our way to Anysberg, but now this gate is locked. And we've just checked on our email, our confirmation email from Anysberg. Yeah, we've been on the wrong road. We need to head back to Taos River now. And then from there head to Anysberg. So okay, it's now 4:30. So hopefully we get to the campsite before dark. Okay, so we're gonna get there at 6.
Yeah. 68 kilometers we need to drive now.
68 kilometers. Oh well, at least we took a drive in the Witzenberg Nature Reserve. Nice. Here we go again. Okay, wait. Over there, somebody is coming along on a bicycle. So we're gonna ask him whether we can come through here and whether it will take us to the right place. Let's hope so. That would be amazing. Apparently, this guy miraculously works at Anysberg. Simon is busy showing him our booking confirmation, so let's see if he has a key. I don't have the full story yet, but patiently waiting. Yay! This is a very long conversation. I don't know what they talked about, but here we go. Okay, so we're back on the road now. Simon, what just happened?
Okay, so while we were standing at the gate, planning on turning around, one of the guys that actually works at Anysberg pitched up with his bicycle because he works for the people on their private farm thing on this side over the weekends. Completely by chance, and he was like, well, they've been waiting for us and they couldn't get hold of us. But if we had to drive around the actual way, it was about 3 hours, if not more, to get there from here. And he just did us a massive favor. He's got the gate access codes, and he gave me the codes, and now we're heading through these farms to the actual place.
Sorry,
it'll take us like 40 minutes to an hour or something like that. Well, it's better than 3 hours, so
yeah. Oh my gosh. What are the odds though that guy was there at exactly
when we wanted to leave?
Yo, thank goodness. Okay.
He said we just need to follow his bicycle tracks.
Okay, cool. Well, I'm keen to get to camp now, so
very keen. Yeah.
Let's do this last stint. Simon is busy with the first gate, hoping that the code works. Oh, thank goodness. Iceberg.
Yeah, I think it's on Iceberg.
Is that what is the name? Colin?
Gwilyn told me that you'll come around the mountain, and then the mountain, like an iceberg, will be in front of you like this. And I assume that's it, right?
Must be. Made it. We are finally at the camp spot. Just gonna reverse in now and then relax. I'm tired, can you tell?
Very disappointing.
Simon, what just happened?
I opened the ammo crate and all my brandy just, well...
Oh no.
And we can't buy anything because of the lockdown regulations. So now I can't, like...
Oh, you can't take brandy away from a South African man.
That's so disappointing.
Okay, so what's happening in here?
It's
Oh,
all
no.
spilled and out.
But look how pretty it is.
I know. But it would have been nicer with the brandy.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so the Khaya is set up now. We're going to make a fire, and tonight we're just frying choppies, lamb chops, with some potatoes that we're going to put in tin foil on the fire. And yeah, I'll give you a full walkthrough of the Khaya tomorrow when we settled in at Sutherland. For now, let's try and sort out this brandy mess. Okay, we're both sitting in the Khaya. Food is done. We've set up the little table inside here. It's very cold outside, so
Yeah.
it's much better in here. And now we are going to enjoy our dinner and wine.
Cheers.
Cheers. And that is that for the first video of the Sutherland trip. In the next video, we'll be heading off to Sutherland, but first making a few stops at places like the iconic Maatjiesfontein and one of my new favorite spots, Oom Tjolse Gat. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.